The appeal court sitting in Abuja has upheld the judgment of the Kano Governorship Election Tribunal, which sacked Abba Kabir of the NNPP and declared APC's Nasir Gawuna valid winner of the election. In a unanimous judgment read by Justice M.A. Adome, the appellate court held that Abba Kabir was not a valid candidate of the NNPP at the time of the governorship election, while chiding the lower court for not disqualifying the appellant in the first instance. Shafiu Suleiman reports.
In what may likely cause socio-political ripples across Kano State, Governor Abba Kabir has been sacked by the appeal court after losing the first round of the litigation battle at the tribunal. The tribunal has invalidated his 165,663 votes to declare Yusuf Gawuna of APC authentic winner of the poll. Delivering judgment on the 9 issues for determination by the appellant Abba Kabir, the appellate court panel of justices held that the lower tribunal was right to have found and deducted the unsigned NNPP candidates' votes, right in admitting the certified true copies of the result as evidence. It went further to question the tribunal's inability to disqualify Abba Kabir on grounds that he was not a member of the NNPP at the time of the election in contravention of certain sections of the Constitution.
The Court of Appeal agreed with the decision of the tribunal to deduct the 165,000 invalid votes that were cast in favor of NNPP. We have stated it even before we filed the petition that the NNPP did not win by a majority of the valid votes, and also NNPP did not have a valid candidate. Today we have been justified. The Court of Appeal has upheld our argument. All the 3 appeals filed by Abba Kabir, Yusuf, NNPP and INEC has been dismissed, and of course our cross appeal has been upheld.
The appellate court strongly cautioned political parties against subverting provisions of the Constitution in party internal affairs with impunity, while awarding 1 million naira fine against the appellant. Shafiu Suleiman, Trust TV News, Abuja.
Our reporter in Kano, Idris Jibrin, gave a situation report on the mood in the state.
Well, although it is not the end of it all, but this is the moment the people of Kano State have all been waiting for. I'm talking about those from the All Progressive Congress, APC, and those from the New Nigeria People's Party. As the appeal court pronounced its judgment, you can see the mood of Kano. Now, this place I am standing on is one of the major roads within Kano metropolis. This is Murtala Mohammed Way. And behind me, down there, this is the road that links motorists to the popular Abubakar market, the popular Singer market. Now you can see how people, following the announcement of this judgment, you can see how people are rushing, coming down from the market. Some of them to their previous, to their places, to their houses. People are rushing, leaving the market, because they don't know what will happen. There might be a kind of uncertainty among the people, even though it's too early to say this is what will happen or this is what is happening in Kano. But I can tell you that following the announcement of this result, most parents, especially those in private school, earlier in the morning, I've told you many students could not go to school. They choose to remain at home. But I have seen people from those whose children are attending private school rushing to pick their children from school. But then people are also rushing back home. Even though today is Friday, it may look like these people are coming to go to the mosque. But definitely, these are people coming from various markets across Kano State. Now, I've been talking to some people in Kano State in reaction to this judgment. Some are happy, some are not happy, especially those from the New Nigeria People's Party are not happy with the judgment of the appeal court. Those of the All Progressive Congress are celebrating and jubilating. Maybe later in the day we may see the kind of celebration that will be taken across Kano State, because today, I told you, today is Friday, but at the moment the situation is calm. We have not seen any violence or breakdown of law and order. We have seen presence of policemen going all over Kano State to ensure the protection of lives and property.